Good afternoon to you. This is Prince. How's everybody doing? We are watching the crude oil chart here. Right? It's very important to see here that the trend line actually, the major trend line support from the 4-hour chart or a daily chart has been now broken. Alright? It's trending towards the downside and I'm not short selling yet. The reason being is, of course, this whole trading range that you can see in the red box. We're at the lows of the trading range. Alright. And also another thing, if you draw your Fibonacci levels, the modified version which I've drawn in my previous videos, from this swing low to the swing high area of 54, we are in a reversal zone towards the upside. This is the first box and this is the second box. But in the meantime, we can't we can't stay on hands. So here's the plan of attack short term. If those of you who like short term trading, okay, let's zoom in. First of all, we need to note that we have broken today towards even yesterday we broke below the previous day's low, and today also we are breaking below the previous day's low. But we are also approaching a huge supply area, or supply or demand, what do you want to call it? I don't know the exact terminologies. That's one point. So, and then another thing, we have a short-term trend line which will be acting as our resistance. Now what we really want here is the market to reverse before 47.70 and the yellow moving average closing above the red and break above this trend line to take our buy entry. Let's say, for example, if the market reverses, we can put our buy stops above the swing levels or above this trend line to enter a long trade. That's plan number one. Plan number two is, if the trend continues towards the downside and we break through the support, okay, you don't really you can short sell it aggressively, or what you can do is let it break through and then make a pullback, come around this area, then you can take that pullback, join it here. Oops. Join it here. This would be look for an M pattern when price approaches this area. This is in case if the trend continues towards the downside. Alright. Do keep in mind the failure of trend continuation or a breakout is always a reversal. So in this case, if we are supposing the market may fail to make a lower low, then expect a reversal. This will transform into a W pattern. You see that? So that is the minor analysis for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the Skype room or post a comment below the video. And another thing we want to notice is why I'm actually expecting the crude oil market, commodities market to be bearish is here. Let's look at our dollar index chart. The dollar is strongly trending. This is a monthly chart towards the upside. Now we are on the dollar approaching a reversal zone as well. Let's color this red. Alright, so but for now, dollar is trending very strongly towards the upside. It's making higher highs. It has a strong channel. Let's see if we can draw a trend line. It's one trend line. So there's a huge correction that is due on the dollar index as well. So if the dollar keeps on strengthening towards and starts going towards the upside, do expect lower lows on the commodities such as gold and crude oil. Alright, so don't be surprised if we break today's low and continue towards the downside. Honestly, I would really want to short $48 a barrel, but I'll let the price action dictate my decisions. But for now, I don't want to short sell, and the reason being is this trading range. If you break below it, I want to short sell the lows, but at the same time, do keep in mind we have had a fall from the highs recently in few days of 4.3%, 430 points, which is a strong drop. All right. Hope the video helps. Feel free to ask questions. Have a good day. Have a good trading week. Bye bye for now.